Hi, I'm Tom from ATEC. I'm really excited that we're able to show our new ATEO series here. So ATEO has been in our range actually for over a decade. So what's new? What have we changed? Well, in terms of sound experience, you're still getting that same crisp sound quality that you can expect, but in terms of mounting it, it's a total different game. It's actually literally a game changer, and I'm going to show you why. So if you want to connect the device, you just install the plate, and you open up the waggles that we have here. Those can fit up to a 12 gauge and have full link through capabilities. You can enter with your cable from any direction, being it on the back or from any of the breakout points that we have on the side, and just simply close it, snap it on, so your connection is actually made. And while you've installed the plate, you have your both hands available, so I can take the loudspeaker, get on the ladder, and just click it on. It's as simple as that. So if I want to take it back off, I've got a button here that allows me to take it off, and it's actually an Allen key. So with the Allen key, we can turn it inwards and having actually a secure locking system. So that means that you're actually, nobody can steal the loudspeaker. Even when you're commissioning the product, we've got a small cover plate they can put over it. So once I've installed it, now we can go to the front. I really love this part. We can actually orientate the loudspeaker in the direction that we want it to play. And I'm now at the front side, so I can actually see if the loudspeaker is flat and level. I don't have to go to the back and go down and see, oh, I've installed it wrong. It's also a very solid friction point that we have, and you're probably wondering how we're able to do that. Well, I'm actually going to show you. So if we go here, I'll quickly show you actually what it's all about. We actually cut an ATEO in half, and you can see all the moving parts inside. In addition to saving you up to 50% in installation time, this loudspeaker is also fully IP66 rated. Now, even more important than the strong IP rating that we have for it is that it's completely corrosion resistant, coming with a 720 hours of salt spray certification, and also fully UV resistant. So that means that even the paint coat that we have on it is coming from the automotive technology, ensuring that the loudspeaker will not color even in these harsh environments that we have here outside, even in this hall. So if you want to find out more about this ATEO series, we've got them in 4-inch and we've got them in 6-inch, and you can find all the information on our website, atec.eu. I'm Tom, thank you for watching.